Hi everyone, Stephanie here, and today I want to show you all about this smart light that I just got. It is 71 inches tall and it is, like I said, it's a smart light, so it will work with Google and Alexa. I'm going to show you how it works in the app in just a minute. I love this thing. It was incredibly easy to put together, but one of the really cool things about this is it's got this swivel head. So you can angle it all the way up if you want to just cast a light onto your ceiling, kind of warm up the room, or you can just direct which way you want to angle it. And it won't go angled down, but it will do a flat facing direct towards you light, which is really cool. Now, it has the app, but it also has a remote. It takes two AAA batteries. So I want to show you the remote here. So here is the remote. There are 4 different lighting modes. There is warm white, which is on right now. And if you click the M button here in the middle, you'll see the other 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's really cool. So depending on what you are doing, if it's in an office, in a bedroom, you can completely control the brightness of the light. You can also do a stepless dim. So right here, there is bright reduce and bright increase. So you can do the reduce the brightness and it'll go down. I love that. It also has these presets. There's night, reading, working, leisure, and game. So this is night, reading, working, leisure, and game. And you can also increase or decrease the color temperature step by step. I love that. I love that. It also has a 1-hour timer. So you can click that, it'll blink once, and then it'll automatically shut off within 1 hour. So I'm going to show you how it works in the app, and you will be able to see just how versatile and awesome this lamp is. So this is what it looks like in the app. You can turn it on or off. You can go into the specific light itself and you can turn it on. And then once it's on, you can control the color of the light. You can control the brightness. You can create a scene, or you can edit one of these scenes. You can add scene right here. Or you can edit one of the presets. You can also set a schedule of when you want your light to come on and off. And of course, you have the timer. You have a little bit more flexibility with the timer in the app rather than the remote, so I really like that. But this is a really great smart LED floor lamp. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Awesome smart light so that you can completely control the brightness, the dimness, the mode. Really, really great. And like I said, it is smart, and so it works with Alexa and Google. Hey Google, turn Carter's light off.
Okay, turning off the smart LED floor lamp.
Awesome. Thanks for watching.